Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sarthak, you were not there in the morning class, right? Sarthak Agarwal. Okay, I think we should wait for other students to join. Now, children, all of you are ready with your English creative writing copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What we are going to do today is, okay, write down today's date and write down the topic character profile. Let everybody join, then I'll explain you what we are supposed to do in character profile.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. What is the date? 11th?
Ma'am,
No.
12th.
No, ma'am. Today is 12. Can you explain that what is character profile?
Yes?
Can you explain that what is character profile?
I had
English
explained.
creative.
Okay.
Ma'am, English creative subject will be common UT paper.
Yes, it will come. You will get questions. What we have done in class, you might get in your exams. The same.
Ma'am, I have not made English creative writing notebook.
Why, Mishti, you have been telling this? Listen, beta, whatever is posted on your class group, why don't you do the work? We have done so much. Now, today, what you'll do? Okay, what did we do last? Tell me. What did we write about? Our father.
Ma'am, we
Beta,
do Ma'am, last time we have done character profile.
character profile of father, of your father, right? You did that?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Mishti, have you done it? The character profile of your father?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, you could not check.
Okay, beta, I haven't checked. It's fine. But I have also sent you what I have written in the character profile of father. Did you check the D group?
Ma'am, you have checked mine.
Did you check the D group?
Ma'am, firstly, you will tell me which topic will become on a paper.
Now, shall I tell you the question paper, beta? Hmm?
No, ma'am, you will tell
teachers
only
tell?
topic.
Topic, yes, topic. One topic is character profile. One is personal narratives. Like you have to write something on your own. Like suppose I will say, what is your favorite game? So that is a personal narrative. You have to narrate about your personal liking. What is your favorite? Now what all have we done? What is your favorite cartoon character? What is your favorite after school activity? Right?
Yes,
Pratyaksh, beta, read all the topics that we have done so far. I will write it in the chat box. Mishti, you have to please make a note of all these topics. And you can
ma'am,
take
first
any
of all, topics. Ma'am,
Yes.
these topics come on paper.
Yes, any
QT.
topic can become can be asked in your question paper. Any topic.
Ma'am, we have started this topic of today.
Beta, wait, don't keep asking. Let the teacher also speak something. I'm telling you your syllabus. What thing? First is personal narrative. Pratyaksh, what was the first topic?
Ma'am, my favorite game.
Yes.
And then second is personal narrative.
What did you write in?
What is your favorite after school activity? And then next is format of an informal letter.
No.
Then
No, beta, no. Informal letter is not in your syllabus. We have done it. We have covered till now. But we have only two topics. That is personal narrative and character profile. You have also done the character profile, right?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Character
Two
profile.
topics on you will send on group.
Wait, I'm sending in the chat box. I'm sending you right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Oh, I'm late. And because I'm going to Ma'am, I have written character profile, but I have not written personal Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what we do? Personal
What?
profile.
Character profile can be your father, your friend, any cartoon character. Okay, see, everybody now be quiet. Look up in the chat box. Either take a screenshot or write it on a piece of paper. This is what will come in your exam. You can get any of these topics. Okay? Everybody make a note of what I have written in the chat box. There are so many things. You can get any one or two things out of it to write in your exam.
Take the screenshot.
Yes, take a screenshot, save it with yourself. Nobody will ask me again. Ma'am, please tell us what you wrote. Is that fine? Anyone has any doubt, wants to ask anything?
Ma'am, these all will come in our UTs.
Yes, it can come in your exam. You have English creative writing paper,
One
right?
thing.
Yes, ma'am.
In that paper,
Ma'am,
you
I
will
ask
get
one
two
thing.
questions only. You will not get more. So I have written so many things in the chat box. Out of this, you can get any two questions better. Is that fine?
Ma'am, I ask you one question.
Yes, Mishti asked.
Ma'am, UT paper will become one more topic that will be personal narrative. So what will become on that topic?
Beta, dekho, Mishti. One more topic you are saying it will come. I have already mentioned personal narrative in the chat box. Okay? I have already told that this will come. And in the bracket where I have written personal narrative, after your favorite game. Now I can ask you to write about your favorite game. I can ask you to write about your favorite school activity. What do you do after your school gets completed? After your online classes, what is your favorite activity? These are all your personal narratives. This is your personal choice. Stuti will tell about her favorite thing. Shirsh will tell about his favorite thing. You are going to tell about your favorite thing. So this is my personal choice. I am going to tell about my personal, I'm going to narrate about my personal favorite activity. Sometimes the topics are very general, like suppose I made you write about the topic milk. Now you have to write something on milk. That is not your personal narrative. Milk is something in general found in universe about which you have to write. Okay? So what you're going to get, first topic is personal narrative. Second topic is character profile. Like in last class, we did about the the character profile of our father, of your father. You had written. Is that clear to all of you? Show me a thumbs up if it's clear and ask me if there is any doubt. Good. Yes, Tuti wants to ask me something, beta. Ask.
Ma'am, I have not written personal narrative. And ma'am, I have not understand personal narrative. What is personal narrative?
You have not understood what is personal narrative.
Yes, ma'am, I have not written in my copy.
Now, beta, you have not written, then nothing can be done. Why haven't you written? Huh? Where were you in the starting classes? If you have not written it earlier, now write it. Okay? Prepare these two topics. And then what you write on it, you can send it to me on WhatsApp.
And ma'am, what is personal narrative
Arey Stuti, personal narrative is, I have explained this only when you were raising your hand. I was telling you this only. What is personal narrative? Something about your personal interest. Like, what is your favorite movie? Now you can write about your favorite movie. Maybe your favorite movie is Tare Zameen Par, and Shir's favorite movie is Harry Potter. So you will tell your personal choice. You will, what is your personal, how will you narrate your favorite movie? That is about telling, this is personal narrative. Is that fine? Everyone can have individual or personal choices. And sometimes the topics are general, wherein you can't write personally. You can't say milk is pink in color because milk comes white in color only. Or my favorite milk, you can't say that. Any doubt now to anyone? Okay, now today what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write the character profile of your friend. Fine. Will you be able to write the character profile of your friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what around which all things are you going to write about your friend? You are going to write his name, his age, where he lives, how he looks. Okay? All these things. Start writing.
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Character profile of your friend. Describe your friend. Write the character. I am typing in. Yes?
Ma'am, we need to write in fair notebook.
Yes, you have to write in your fair notebook. Yes.
About our friend, we have write the character profile.
Yes, beta, you have to write about your friend. Now see, what all points you will include in that, I'm going to share it with you. Just wait.
Ma'am, what we have read the heading?
Okay, children. Now see, these are, yes, character profile of your best friend. That's the topic. Now these are the different things that you have to cover up of your friend. My friend's name is, or my best friend's name is, you can write any name. Like suppose my best friend's name is Rahul. He is 7 years old. He is a tall, handsome boy, or he's a tall, good looking boy. Anything like that. You can begin writing like that. Who is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Who is the student in class?
Ma'am, I have done and I have write also.
Who is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Rishabh, I'm talking now. I'm going to remove this student from the class, whosoever it is. Either rename yourself or tell me who you are. Now say Rishabh.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, you're mute.
Okay, beta, now keep sitting. Let everyone else do.
Ma'am, please tell Agony.
What? What, Stuti?
No, nothing, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
beta.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in heading what we have, right? Ma'am.
Character profile of my best friend. Character profile of my best friend.
Ma'am, in journal physical description, what we have to write in this?
You can describe, beta, how your best friend looks. Is he short? Is he tall? Is he fat? Is he thin? His fair complexion.
And
Yes.
ma'am, in type of home.
Type of home where he lives. He has a beautiful big house, or he has a nice cozy small house. Or type of home is like who all are there in his wait, let me finish. Who all are there in his family? Okay, in family you can write how many members he has. Yes, yes, beta, ask. Beta, your voice is cracking, I can't understand. Let me see in the chat box. Anmol, you are saying, ma'am, I lost all my friends. So what I write? Okay. The friend that you had some long time back or any time back, whatever, you can write about him.
Okay, ma'am.
Last friend that you had. Because of lockdown, you lost all your friends. They're scattered here and there. Yes, you're not in touch with them anymore. Yes, beta. Beta, your voice is cracking. You can type in the chat box. I cannot understand anything. Type in the chat box, Manas.
Ma'am, I not done the character profile.
You have not done, so that is why I'm making you do it today, because you have your exams now. This is the last class before your exams, beta.
Ma'am, this one is the character profile.
Bache, listen, what is the character profile? You have to describe a person's character. You have to give a good description about his name, age, about how he looks, about what kind of dresses, what kind of clothing he does, about his hobbies, about his likes and dislikes. This is how you build up character profile of a person. You describe it so well that the listener or the reader understands it. He can visualize it actually how the person would be.
Physical description we
Okay,
have.
ma'am. I am tell the after the nature. Ma'am, this is the second one.
No, beta, this is the only one I have given you. You have to give description of your best friend. Yes. Anmol, your voice is breaking. Type in the chat box. Yes, Nandini, beta, ask what you want to ask.
Ma'am, what we need to write in journal physical description?
General physical description is like about his height. Physical, what is physical description? Physical description is how a person looks, about his height, about his face cut, about if he wears specs or he does not wear specs. If he, suppose a girl generally puts a hairband, you can write that. You will always find her in a good hairband, like that. Okay, general physical description. If he's tall, he's thin, he's dark complexioned, he's fair complexioned, like that. Yes, Tuti, say. Wait, beta, let Stuti speak. Arey, beta, wait. हाँ, Stuti say.
Ma'am, we have to write also this is that he lives near my home.
He lives.
Near my home.
Yes, you can write that. He lives near my home. Yes, Manas, now say. Manas, beta, why don't you understand? Bache, your voice is cracking. I cannot understand a single word. Type it in the chat box and ask me. Or if you can't type it, just send your audio in the class group. I will answer over there. Your network is very low today.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Karthik.
मैम इसमें हमें क्या करना है? मेरी मम्मी का फोन आ गया था इसलिए मैं कर नहीं पाया.
बेटा आपको अपने फ्रेंड का कैरेक्टर प्रोफाइल डिस्क्राइब करना है कि आपके फ्रेंड का नाम क्या है, उसकी एज क्या है, हाउ ही लुक्स. फिजिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स हाउ ही लुक्स एंड वेयर ही लिव्स, who all are there in his family, who his or her friends are, what kind of dresses he wears, then what are his or her hobbies. You have to completely describe your best friend.
Ma'am, general physical description. And can we write about the girl, right?
General physical description means how he looks. If suppose your friend wears a specs, you have to tell that you will always find him in specs. If he does not wear specs, it's fine, need not mention it. How his how his height is, he's too tall or too short, or he's average heighted. How he generally what is his physical description, you have to tell that.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have written all 9 lines. Can I speak now?
Yes, you have written all 9 things.
All 9 lines about my best friend.
Okay, you have written, you described each and everything nicely, or you have just described in one line?
No, ma'am.
Why haven't you described it? You have to describe it nicely, beta. Don't write 9 points. You have to.
I have written properly.
Okay, share it on the class group. I'll see what you have written. Let me see.
Ma'am, I am right 11 lines. Ma'am, I am right 11 lines on the side.
Manas, beta, I have replied your answer in the class group. You have to write it in a paragraph. Don't write it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points like this. And what you have to do, you have to describe it nicely. Suppose you are including the point number 7, dress style. Now don't just write he wears jeans and t-shirts. Okay, describe this point very nicely. He likes to wear this clothes, and but when we go out for some outing, he wears this and that, whatever. Just try to make it descriptive. Writing in one point looks like you have filled a form. So we are not filling any form over here. What we are doing, we are describing our friend.
Okay, ma'am, I am right 11 lines.
What Devansh you have written?
Ma'am, I am right 11 lines.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, in types of home, हमें what we will write there, types of home, we will write her home is this, like this.
Yes, her home, her house is like this. It's white in color. It's a beautiful house. It has a small garden. Anything like that. You can describe his or her home.
Ma'am, I have shared.
Yes, beta. What? Beta, physical description means how he looks. How is your friend in looks? He's short heighted, he's tall, like that.
Ma'am, is my correct?
Okay, Pratyaksh beta, what you have written is very nice, but see, he looks good. In physical description, you have not described his face. How will we imagine? How can I imagine how he looks? Tell me. You have to describe it properly, beta, that he is medium height, he's very thin, or he's fat, or he is just average. Like that, you have to describe him. He has a dimple on his cheek. He has small eyes. He has curly hair. Describe it properly. Okay? When you write it in your exam, you have to describe it nicely.
Okay, ma'am.
He has a wheatish complexion. Beta Devansh, so many spelling mistakes. Huh? So many spelling mistakes. And why have you written capital letters in between a sentence? We only write capital letters in proper nouns and when a sentence begins. Rest, nowhere else we are supposed to write capital letters. And children, again and again, I'm telling you that don't make it sound like a form. Okay? You should describe it nicely. He likes to eat his favorite food, his favorite hobby, his favorite style, his favorite this. No, again and again, don't use the same language.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in friend, what we have to write then in sixth one?
Beta, in friends, you can write about other friends of your friend. Like suppose your friend has other friends also. So you can include their names also. That her friends are this, and this.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of type of home?
Type of home is what kind of a house he has. He has a big house or he has a small house. He has a garden in his house, how many rooms are there in his house. You can describe all that. If there is any special feature that his house has, like suppose somebody has a kitchen garden, somebody has a big garden outside the house, anything like that. Or he lives in apartments, he lives in flats.
Ma'am, in sixth friends, so what we have written friends.
Beta, I cannot understand. Send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, in sixth one there are friends, and what we have written the
Friends. Okay. In friends, you can write about the other friends your friend has. Maybe he's got some other friends also in his or her life. So you can tell about them. He has 3 more friends or he has 2 more very close friends.
And ma'am, we have also written the name of the friends.
Yes, you can write 1 or 2 names.
What is the meaning of friends?
What is the meaning of friends? Beta, friends over here, you can describe about his other friends.
And the class is over.
Okay, children, after completing it, all of you have to send it on the class group. Okay, I'll go through your sheets and let you know.